Sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Peanut butter sold in 40 states recalled over possible plastic contamination. MedNews. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, has announced a recall of over 20,000 peanut butter products due to the presence of blue plastic fragments found during the manufacturing process. The recalled peanut butter was produced by Ventura Foods and sold under several private label brands across 40 states in the U.S. The recall was initially announced in April 2025, and the FDA has now officially classified it as a Class 2 recall, meaning the product could cause temporary or medically reversible health problems, though the risk of serious injury is low. The recalled products include creamy peanut butter packets and peanut butter and jelly twin packs in various sizes. Consumers are urged to check product labels for manufacturer details and brand names, and to follow instructions from retailers or manufacturers on whether the products should be returned or safely discarded. Anyone who has consumed the recalled peanut butter and feels unwell should contact a healthcare provider. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs.